So hello everyone, the address of the property is in the description, so guys please check that out. So guys, we are starting from the lift lobby. This is the lift guys, and you can see we have clicked the 16th floor. It's a sensitive touch button lift configuration, and as you can see our flat is on the 16th floor. These are the stairs guys, as you can see 16th floor. It's a refuge floor guys, means half of the floors are empty because to comply with the fire regulations. So as you can see here is the flat guys, and it is recently painted on the outside also, as you can see here, and I'll show you from there also. Well, this is the basic entry of the house, and it is a safety door which you are seeing, and here is the means our side of the apartment, and here is, you can see the painted side. And as you can see both the neighbors are means a property is vacated, so you might not have any troubles with the neighbors as such. So this is the basic view of the hall, and here you can see the safety switches of the house and the light fan switches, and this is a basic view of the door and the safety door, and this is the cupboard guys. So guys, this is the passage of the hall to the bedroom and the kitchen and the bathrooms. Here is the bathroom guys, and as you can see it has got a shower and a heater, water heater, and on the left is the, what you can see is the toilet. And here is the view of the toilet guys. It may not clean at the time because of the corona situation, nobody has entered the flat for a long time. And here is the view of the guys toilet, as you can see. So you can see the guys wash basin, and here is the fridge guys, and you can see the basic view of the kitchen, and there is a septic tank on ahead. And as you can see the view, and this is the, what you can say, the washing machine means installer. If you want the water for the washing machine, you can take it directly here. The last tenant had the washing machine, so we hadn't provided him that. And this is the view of the, what you can say, fridge guys. We haven't removed the stuff yet, as I told, nobody has entered the flat for a long time, and we will remove that as soon as you move in. And this is the view of the wash basin as I've shown earlier. So guys, this is the view from the bedroom, you can see, and there are two bunk beds for single person each with mattresses on it, and we have recently installed a new fan here guys, and you can see this is the view. So I really like the view of this flat guys. As you can see everything is visible. The Birla Centurion as usual, the Kamla Mills Park, Kamla Mill compound, and the Paragon Office Center, and everything is very nice. And you can see the India Bulls there, and this is, what you can say, the park, and that Aishwarya Rai used to advertise that. And we'll just remove the window. So guys, those are the World Tower. It's 116 floor. I think so. It's the tallest building in India, as far I'm sure. So guys, let's similarly have the look from the hall as well. As you can see guys, the view from here is also quite rejuvenating, and you can see every quite small detail as I said earlier. Wait, what's that? Okay, it's small. It's a small pond there. I've never noticed it till yet. One important thing I forgot to mention guys is that we have specific people appointed for the maintenance of the flat. So if you are facing any problems, whether it be related to what you can see a basic problem like plumbing, so we have the number of the plumber, whether it be Wi-Fi or something other problem like for cable or carpenter, we can arrange him at the best time suitable for you. So you have to just give us a call, we will arrange him. So guys, this is from the outside view of the flat. I just like to clarify because most people want the outside view also. As I shown earlier, this is the lift lobby guys, and you can see there are both lifts. One lift is the fire lift and other one is a normal lift. And here are the buttons guys. You can see Schindler. It's a German brand. And you can see one nice thing I have found is that they order vegetables to your door and they are giving 2 handkerchiefs free if you order above 150. Nice entrepreneurial mindset there. So guys, as I have mentioned from the start, this is the refuge floor, means half of the floors are empty because to comply with the fire regulations, because in case if a fire falls out, these are the safety rooms you had to go in. And there are, I think so there are 4 floors, 1, 2, and I think so there are the same on the next side. And here is the basic view guys. I like this view more. And here you can see I think so the camera is not justifiable, but I can see the Bandra Worli ceiling and the other quite means amenities there. And let me zoom in there if possible, but let's move and zoom in from there. And this is what you call is the letter section. Here you can means your letterman or postman can put your letters here. And in the time of the corona, it's quite means what you can say, it's quite convenient. So guys, one very important thing I forgot to mention is about the rent and everything. Guys, everything is in the description. You can directly give us a call, as we are not a broker, we are a owner. So if you like the property and if you visit, so we can have a better talk, on table talk about the negotiation or anything which is possible. So guys, please have a look fast. Until then, stay tuned and bye bye guys.